Hello, I am Alexa with my partner Aubrey. Today, we're gonna walk you through our final project for the course CS Major 3 Game Development. Just a disclaimer, we decided on this game due to factors such as it being achievable, simple, and straightforward. So first, we will discuss about the game's main objective, the characters in the game, library used, screen size, controls, the actual game, and other stuff. So we call this game the Highway Escape. So this is basically how it looks like. So Highway Escape is an engaging 2D car racing game that challenges players to navigate a dynamically changing highway filled with obstacles and anime vehicles. The player takes control of a sleek sports car speeding down the road while avoiding collisions and striving for their highest possible score. As the game progresses, the difficulty level increases, testing the player's reflexes and strategic decision making. There are three main objectives of this game. So number one is survive as long as possible by skillfully maneuvering through traffic. Second is switching lanes to dodge incoming vehicle. And number three, adapting to the ever accelerating pace. For the characters, we only have two characters or two cars represented by Aubrey and myself respectively. So car number one, Aubrey, she's the challenge. She represents the challenge with the increasing speed. And the other car, which is the challenger, myself, my objective is to dodge Aubrey. So that's for the characters. Like we said, it's simple and straightforward. Now let's proceed to the library used. Before anything, we need to import libraries to run our game. Since we're using Python, so we have Pygame and also import random. Next is the screen size. So as you can see, the values for the screen width and height is 767 and 657 pixels respectively. Road width divided by 1.6, road mark width divided by 80. Now for the right lane, we have width divided by 2 plus road width divided by 4. It's the same with the left lane. Now about the fill screen, so we use the RGB code for the color green. Now for the controls, we only have two controls, the A for the left and the D key for the right. So if event key in KA, then car locations move to the left. So that explains the minus symbol here. It means it moves to the left, pabalik. The same way when event key in KD, so the car location moves to the right. So to give you a better appreciation of the game, here's the actual running code. Here's the actual code. It's very short actually. So like you said, it's just a simple and straightforward game. So these are libraries, import Pygame from pygame.locals, import random. So the shape of the window, these are the shape of the windows, the location parameters of the road, and we're gonna start with speed 1. So that's the default speed. So initializing the app, pygame.init running equals true. So setting window size, pygame.display set most size. So sa caption, we have CS Major 3 car game for the mouse. And the background color screen fill 6200, this is the RGB code for the color green. And so it changes, so as the game runs, so it also updates, so pygame.display update. So load player vehicle, so this is the code to load the player vehicle. We load the car.png with its location and the size. And so the other car location and the size. So that's basically it. So for event listener, so this is where the controls happen. So we only have two controls, the A for the left and D for the right. So this is the logic. So it basically means that if the two car collide, so it says game over, you lost. Now this is our folder. We only have like I said, we only have two images, the car and the other car. And this is the code, so they're in the same folder. Now let's try to run this. So that's it. So it collided. That's why it says game over, you lost. So let's try again. We need to avoid the speeding car, which is possible. So we have to be attentive to the car and make sure that we don't collide. So the game, the speed of the car, you can see this as the game progresses. So we're now at level 1.29. So you can see it's speeding up, or B is speeding up.